Plants versus 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 plants. Oh yeah, we have no Zen Garden this time. I'm recording this episode directly after I recorded the last one, but look I got a snail. I'm gonna name you Gerald. Gerald, say hi to Billy and Bobby. Oh, wait, no, that's not a good name. Blue and pink. Perfect. Or more like light blue and magenta, whatever. Anyways, we're going back to the mini games because we're gonna do some raining seeds. Raining seeds. There we go. Look, it's raining, and look, that guy's raining from the sky too. They're gonna be raining down like it's raining men. Hallelujah! Chomper is the worst plant. Snow pea. Put the snow pea down. Yeah. Hypno shroom. Oh, he's in the lane with the chomper. Okay, whatever. Now I can see, kind of. I don't think I need that at this moment. The Hypno Shroom will protect him. It will protect, but not attack. 1 protect, 2 attack. Okay, actually, I've already gotten 2 planterns. I mean, I don't have anything to protect them though. Look at him. Oh wait, no, I got the Snow Pea can protect that guy. Good job, Snow Pea. So you got blue and purple. Blue plus purple equals a lighter purple. There you go. You're protected. I shouldn't have put that there. I should have put that there. Dang it. And no, marigold. What am I supposed to do with the marigold? I know money's tight right now because I bought some things, but it's not that tight. And I get another chomper. 2 chompers for the price of 1 chomp. Hey, take a look at this, Giovanni. Oh, I got a coin. Oh my. Wait a minute. If marigolds did this in real life, how come no one's exploited that yet? Because as we all know, this game is really realistic. Sure, Blowbird. I don't think there's any balloon zombies in this level anyways. Also, that was kind of a bad idea. Putting the thing there, but whatever. Also, what am I supposed to do in this lane? Go, scaredy shroom. Uh-oh. What the? Oh yeah. Whatever. Go away. The planterns will take care of it. What the? What is that? What is that? Please don't. Please defeat him already. Go. Okay. Everything's fine. We're all fine. Everything's good, fine, and dandy. Like the dandy lion. Have you ever heard a lion that's dandy? That's dandy? I've never heard of a lion that thinks that's dandy before. I can't speak. Uh-oh, here comes a huge wave of 4 huge waves. That's a lot of waves. Aha, I placed it in the correct lane. Wow, I'm glad I got another lily pad. That's gonna help me in my journey for collecting the most lily pads in Plants vs. Zombies ever. Oh wait, I thought I was, oh god, I have the 3-peater. Ruh-roh, that guy's not gonna like that. Go. Butter him up a little bit. Oh wait, here you can eat that lantern. Uh-oh. Wait, that bucket head just... Oh, wait. Aha! Oh, no. No, please. Please, I can't handle any more of this anxiety. Don't blow up the lamp. He ate the sea shroom. Who in the right mind would eat a poor little sea shroom? All he wanted to do was see the shroom. Oh, no. No, wait. What am I supposed to do here? Can I get something to deal with this situation? Sure, that helps for only... Actually, okay, I can do that. That helped a little more. Texas. Two coming from the front, two coming from behind. Oh wait, I think the scary shroom's gonna get a little scared. Okay, no, he's fine. The scaredy shroom's fine, everybody. He's not going to die. I'm getting a lot of... oh no, I should have put that there, .jpg. Okay, let's get another 3-peater. Oh wait, where do I put this? Oh my, yeah. I can't put it back, so I might as well put it there. Defend that lantern with your life. No, seriously, it might actually cost you your life. Do you agree to the terms and conditions? And do you agree to receive emails from Twitter or Adobe? Okay, they're just like a factory producing these guys. We just killed one of them. Okay, please, I have a lot of lily pads. That's not something I really wanted. How many lily pads am I gonna get? How many lily pads does one man need? Not that much. Clearly. Uh-oh. How is that guy still alive? I'm surprised and intrigued. I have 4 split peas. Okay, if that's what the game wants to give me. This sea shroom will make up for its brother that died in the war. His brother died in the war. Yeah, that's what happened earlier. He wasn't eaten. Eat that lily pad. I don't want another lily pad. No, he survived so long, you can't eat him now. Haha, but he came back to life. Here's another one of those. Fine, if you really want me to put another lily pad, I'll put another lily pad. I listen to what you say. Get him. Good. I could put this here, just in case the guy doesn't do as good of a job and he dies. Wow, I'm glad I got another lily pad. I can't wait till I get the 900th lily pad. 3 monies. Hey, are you producing any more money over there? Thanks for the money. Ooh, I got a star. I don't think you can ever get this level to be symmetrical. Yeah, I think it's just impossible. No. Why? Why would you do that to the man? Oh my god. Are we gonna be able to defeat him? We defeated him. Oh no, that's even worse. No. No, please. Please don't. God dang it. Stop stealing my things. Oh, hey, I got another thing. I got another money. I'm waiting for another insta-kill thing so I can kill all these guys. Oh no. What? You know, that's just as good. Another magnet. I got a chocolate. Feed it to Stinky to speed him up for a while. Wow. Stinky. Who's that? I only know a Gerald. But I know Gerald really likes chocolate. Look at him, he's in his buttered face. Hey, hold on a minute, I just want to test this. Can you? What the? Oh my god, you can. No, wait, I don't want this. I want that. What? I found a plant for my Zen garden. Well, I guess this will make up for the Zen garden I couldn't do earlier. Money. Go, starfruit. Go, split pea. Yeah, I have a lot of split peas. Done. Look at that beautiful symmetry right there. I've unlocked a new mini game. Seeing stars. Okay, let's go back to the menu and look at the Zen garden. He fell asleep. Hey, Gerald, wake up. Here, they'll have a new friend. Gerald, where are you going? They're down here. Idiot. Stupid snail. You can't trust snails. I've learned that now. You can't trust them. I'm just a watering can. Oh yeah. Let me pour my insides on top of you. Hey yo, I'm pouring it on the snail. Oh, I can't pour it on the snail. Hey, you want a shower? Well, go to the shower then. You dirty idiot. Oh yeah, that guy, he collects the coins for you. That's why he exists. Jeez, look, I'm a watering can and I can run faster than you. Yo, you stupid. How many times do I have to water you? Can I feed you the things already? Also, wait, why are zombies carrying chocolate again? I'm not gonna question it. I got a pumpkin for Halloween. Okay, now let's go back to the mini games. Begooled, named after the famous game Candy Crush. I don't know what Begooled has to do with anything. That's named after the game Candy Crush, right? Epic. You just do this, you can just click everywhere, click until you win. Also, don't lose your plants. I guess this is good. I don't know how you exactly lose this one. Look at all the where am I supposed to, where do I go now? Oh, here. Make 75 matches? That's a little excessive, don't you think? Whatever, you're just a text box. I don't have to listen to you. Hey, isn't there like a thing that tells me after a while where I'm supposed to go? Thank you. I'm seeing a lot of don't know where to go. Where do I go? Also, I just don't have a lot of magnets. Can we change that, please? Oh, yeah, there we go. The magnets are too far to reach any of the guys up front. Let me do that. Oh, okay, good. Wow, all of the magnets are in the back, except for 3. 3 mad lads went to the front. Oh, well, I wasn't going to do that, but okay. I guess that works. I'm not good at Candy Crush. Everyone knows that Candy Crush is the best, most funnest game for iOS. This video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Candy Crush. No one. Oh, look at those tall nuts. They'd be tall. Don't you stop eating them. Stop. Don't eat it. He ate it. How dare he? Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, there we go. Okay. Wow, these guys really are eating the heck out of these guys. How do I fix that, please? Oh no, I made it worse. Can I make it better? No. Apparently I can't. Please, tell me, where do I go? Look at him. He's crying. There's no one even attacking them. Oh, thank God. Can I get something? No, I ruined it. They ate the tall nut. Oh yeah, I can do this. Okay. What? Pea shooters to repeaters. Okay. Oh, what? I was just guessing. Oh. I'm only at 43 matches. No possible moves. Well, I mean, I guess that. Why is that in the system then? Why does that exist? Why is that a thing that can happen? Here's a possible move. I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to do. Oh, there we go. Okay, now I can go here. And now I can go here. And now I can go here. Now, here. And here. Okay. And here. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Okay, I meant here, but okay. And here. And there. And a little bit of everywhere. Help. Help. There's a conehead. He's gonna eat him. He's gonna eat him, and he's gonna enjoy it somehow. Oh, what did I even do? Can I get the repeaters, please? That'll make things a little easier. Can I get a repeater with a side of fries? There you go, there's your repeater. Oh, thank you very much. That tastes very nice. Ruh-roh, there's no snow guys in those lanes. Uh-oh, there's snow. Oh no. Please, just finish the level. Put something in that lane that's a pea shooter. Okay, that works. Five to go. Oh, one more. And it's gonna be the Thomas. Look at it. Look at my beautiful setup. It looks beautiful. Okay. Zombaquarium. Now we're going on to Invisigool. I'm not good at Invisigool. I've lost at this one many times, but this time it's gonna be different. Okay, use this to find out where he is. He's over there. I was close, but yet so far. Wait, is that a cone head? That's the first zombie that appears, a cone head. Freeze him. Freeze that man. Put a thing there and wait for the zombies. Where's the zomb? The zomb. The zombie. Oh no, that's quite terrifying. Just seeing your squash go on its own. Oh, another cone head. Hey, is there any other guys? No, just that guy. Okay, already I have all the non-water lanes covered. But the scary thing is, you can't actually see if a guy's in the water or not, so I might have to save the squashes for the zombonis that come later on. Yeah, there's zombonis in this level. Oh wait, oh yeah, in the pool you could see the splash when they, whatever. Put a little bat. There's a bucket head already. Barely, I've gotten one lane. That's more than most of the time. Most of the time I don't even get a one lane until almost the end of the level. Or at least the first wave. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling like I can do anything except Rutrow. No, I gotta save it. Another pea shooter. Oh god, I hope there's not another fucking head coming behind him. Oh yeah, I get corn. I get the corn guys. The corn. Okay. That wasn't that bad. Oh no. Oh no, here comes the... Oh wait, I'm just kidding. Oh wait, there's a guy in the water? Really? One of them is in the water? How'd he get in the water? Where's the water? There he is in the water. You can tell by the border. You can tell where he is by the border. Where's the border? The butter. Hey, where's the butter? The butter. I meant the butter, not the Buddha. Don't sue me. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. My god, everything's going so fast, I have no idea what's happening. Literally, because I can't see anything. I mean, I can see everything, but I can't see the zombies. And that's my biggest pet peeve, not being able to see anything in the game. Eat that squash. I probably shouldn't have done that. Whoops. I gotta save the ice room. Oh, well, that wasn't me that time. Oh, God. That was not, there he is. He's arrived. The final boss. I don't know when, there's probably gonna be a guy, the bobsled too. I'm not even gonna know. Unless the bobsled's not invisible. I don't know. Oh, well, that's nice. There's Jack in the Box zombies, too. I forgot about that. Let's get another butter. I probably should have put that there. I don't know which lane that was in. Oh, no. That wasn't me that time. There you go. Dolphins, too. Dolphin. He's in that lane. Stop it. Oh, wait, there's a... Oh, no. I forgot. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention to the border. The border. Here is that just a bucket head? I think that's just a bucket head. Yeah, it's just a bucket head. What the? Get him with the border. Of course. Is the border ever enough? Ruh-roh. No, that's not good. Oh, here comes another one of those guys. The guys. Oh no. No, don't eat the border. Don't eat the butter. Stop eating the butter. He ate the butter. Wait, is that it? I don't know if there's... No, he would... The ice would be moving. Oh, great. There's a dolphin there. How many times is there going to be a dolphin there? The dolphin's gone. Still have one more wave. And then we're done. Yep, we've made it to the final wave. We're in the end game, Buster. Oh no, here comes all the zombies. Except for, of course, I don't think I heard a dolphin. So what do I do with all these nuts? Please hurry up. Die already. Okay, there's one dead. Jeez, the ice doesn't even last. The ice doesn't last very long. Jesus, how many hits does a bucket head take? Done. We're done. I did it. I got 4,000 coins. 4,600. $4,600. Next episode, Seeing Stars Zombie Aquarium, Big Old Twist. Also, Big Old, not Bejeweled. I've never heard of that Bejeweled game. I said Big Old. I don't know how to pronounce words. Neither does you. Neither does you is. I buy the guy with the gold guy. He's like the least useful out of all of your things. Okay, goodbye.